Perodua Bezza install target audio, Android GPS big screen player, TS18 3+32, 3 gig RAM, 32 storage. It's 10.1 inch. So Android big screen casing. QLED screen, support AHD camera, so it's connect to Convex 2-in-1 HD night vision AHD camera. This is a compact series. I'll show you for the reverse view. The parking line, green, yellow and red, can show on off from the player setting. Steering control.
Ultra and Ultibox. Hits now on Shock, home of radio, music and podcast.
So it's got a power output. You get a more strong music.
It's not fun, is it? That's the same as having a conversation with someone on their phone.
More power. Full menu. EQ with DSP. Got a preset channel. Select the frequency you want, or you can adjust yourself. It's a flexible control. Key filing. This is CarPlay, Android Auto. You have to connect your phone with this device by USB or Bluetooth. CarPlay or Android Auto. Play Store, log in Gmail to download app. Waze, YouTube, Spotify, all can download from the Play Store. Setting, a network, Wi-Fi connect, 2.4 and 5G Wi-Fi connect. Mobile data, TS18. It's got a 4G SIM slot, 4G SIM card for network online. It's got a 2 USB. This is high quality USB. We put in a drawer. GPS antenna and a 4G antenna is hidden inside the pillar, and an external Bluetooth microphone input. Display. Daytime brightness adjust. Okay, so when you turn on the headlight, the screen will dim. Okay, now it's turned on the headlight. You can adjust the screen to brightness 5. Okay, now turn off the headlight. Will back to 10. Back to 10. Okay, turn on headlight. Will dim to 5. Okay, turn off headlight. Back to 10. Okay, this is the brightness adjust when you nighttime driving, and you can off the screen as well. So scrolling down, screen saver. Press anyway turn it on. Okay, for sound setting, general setting, sleep time, this is a sleep mode, fast boot on off. Normally we set for the 1 day sleep or 2 hours sleep. If you set for the no sleep, that means every time you will fully restart your player. Okay. Navigation application setting, this is a GPS shortcut. You can set for the Waze, Here Maps, Google Maps or Papago. Video output setting, so turn on the video output. If you connect to the external monitor, you have to connect a USB adapter from the USB to RCA video output, or from the USB port to connect to the adapter to HDMI output. Got 2 adapter, optional add-on for the adapter. Original. Steering wheel, this is steering wheel control setting. So you click for the start, press the icon, press the button for set the function. At the end, press again and save it. Reverse camera setting. Reverse line ruler on off, the reverse line. Okay, reverse set system select. So connect to the Convex AHD camera. You have to choose for the AHD 720. If you set for the, if you connect to others model AHD full 1080p, you have to set for the AHD 1080p. Got many choice here. Okay, extend forward view. If you install the front parking camera as well, you have to set for the 10 second to turn on the two-way auto front camera function. Reverse volume. System. Factory password 1 2 3 4 5 6. About, so this is TS18 version, 8-core processor, Cortex A55 1.6 GHz, sound processor AK7604, radio SI4755, Bluetooth 5.0, 3 GB RAM, 32 storage, and a screen resolution 1280720, Android version 11, 2020 October. A Bluetooth call and Bluetooth music. Search pairing with your phone Bluetooth. After pairing, click for the music icon for Bluetooth music. You can share your phone music to car player. Split screen, long press, left or right. Some of the app is cannot use for the split screen, some can. If you want to turn off the split screen, clear it, clear apps, scroll it down, clear all. So this is target audio. So for the main home page, okay, the main display UI, this is a fixed UI for the target audio brand. But these 4 icon, you can change it. You can change the setting. Okay, if you want the video app, you have to long press, then you set for the video. You can change it. Okay, you can select the app you want. Okay, if I want the T5 link, okay. Yeah, T5 link. So it's a CarPlay here. So radio, set for the radio. Okay, this is target audio, Android car GPS player, TS18 3+32 DSP. Perodua Bezza. Convex AHD Compact Series Butterfly Camera. Installed by OneBiz. Video by Andy. Shop location in Seri, Kembangan, Balakong. Contact us. Thank you.